welcome back to my channel. I'm Ritu Kapoor. Today I'm going to unbox and review Grabox for August month. So this is the box which I've got. Let's just quickly unbox it and see what all it has. But wait, first of all, let me tell you, I will be unboxing Mini-O-Grabox because Grabox has different variant, but I will be unboxing Mini-O-Grabox. So let me tell you the price for this. Price for this one is 279 rupees, so it's very affordable. I will be mentioning the price, the buying link, everything in the description box. So yes, check out this description box. Now let me quickly show you what all it has. So first thing is this. This is the info card. And this is how it looks. So the presentation wise, yes, I like it. It says August Mini-O-Grabox, and then I have the list of all the product. And on the third leaf, let me show you. Okay, on the third leaf, the description of product. It says cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. So this month they have come up with this full CTM process. So they have given one product for cleansing, for toning, and for moisturizing, which is a great idea, I guess. And it says cleansing, toning, and moisturizing routine is proven to be your skin's best friend. Okay, let's do it in seconds way. First, use face and body scrub gel to remove all the impurities. I will be showing you the products later, but let me first read out this for you. Okay, remove all the impurities and make your skin dirt free. Then second is toning. So Feckin toner and face mist is 100% natural, alcohol free, which will hydrate and tone up your skin. Just spray it directly on your clean face. Then the third is, of course, moisturizing, which is again very important. And it says feed your skin with Feckin's pink blush moisturizer and feel your skin more smoother and happier than ever. Now let's come back to products. So the first one, as I've said, is the cleansing one. So for cleansing, I have a face and body cleansing scrub gel, and this is the one. The price of this one is 200 rupees. The packing looks nice, very pinky, so I'm liking it. And inside, this is the packing. Quantity is 100 ml, and it says the best skincare product featuring the plant's natural power that help your skin silky. So yes, looks nice. I already have one. I already have received the same product in some of the subscription boxes, but I've not really used it. So yes, I'm looking forward for this. This time I'm going to use this one for sure. 200 is the price, I guess. Let me just confirm it. Yeah, the price for this one is 200 rupees. Now, then comes the toner. So the toner is by Feckin, and this is the Lavender Face Mist Toner, 100% natural, and 100 ml is the quantity. This one, yes, I have used it. It's a great toner, and this one is alcohol free. So of course, it's very good for your skin. It says 100% pure lavender hydrosol, which is again really good for your skin. This product is only going to do good on your skin, nothing bad. So yes, I like it. The price for this one is, I guess, 400 rupees. Okay, 350 is the price for this one, and it comes with the spray, so you can just easily spray this all over your face. So yes, nice. Now moving on to the moisturizing thing. So for moisturizing, I have this Feckin pink blush moisturizer. This is the one. The packing looks really nice. This comes with this pump thing, so very easy to use it. And the packing looks really colorful and nice. So yes, I like it. And the name is Pink Blush with vitamin E and aloe vera and jojoba oil. 100 ml is the quantity. It says it has jojoba oil, coconut oil, beeswax, vitamin E oil, shea butter, essential oil, and natural fragrance. The price for this one is 400 rupees, and the manufacturer of June 2019, best before 2 years from the manufacturing date. So yes, happy with this one. Now, moving on to the next one. The next, I have a pair of jewelry. So I have a beautiful pair of earrings. Let me just open this and show you. The color is golden, so they are just perfect, very safe. You can just match them with anything. And these are hoops. Okay, so just see. So of course they will look stunning. Let me just wear it. And right now I'm not really wearing anything, so let me wear them both. Wow, this hoop style can never go off fashion, and they will always look nice. So yes, happy with this one. The price for this one is 200 rupees. And yes, they look really stunning. Now I'm left with the last one, and the last one is green tea by Himalayas, and I have these 2 sachets of green tea. The price for these are 30 rupees, and this is the last product in the box. So that's all what I have received in the Mini-O-Grabox for August month. The total worth of all the product is 1180 rupees, whereas the price, you already know, it's 279 rupees, so it's quite affordable. And you are getting all these products. So if you like it, go ahead and place your order. I will be mentioning all the detail in the description box, and of course, I will see you in my next video. Till then, lots of love and bye-bye.